Not every drone is designed for the same job. A drone used in agriculture operates very differently from one used for inspections, mapping, or surveillance, because every industry has different operational needs. In agriculture, drones need stable, low-altitude flight, precision spraying systems, and the ability to cover large fields efficiently. Payload capacity and terrain-following capabilities become important. For infrastructure and industrial inspections, the focus shifts to stability, camera clarity, and precise maneuvering around structures like power lines, solar plants, or towers. In mapping and surveying, drones require accurate GPS systems and consistent flight paths to capture reliable aerial data for measurements and analysis. For monitoring and surveillance applications, endurance, live video transmission, and situational visibility are often key operational requirements. Even environmental conditions matter. Some industries require drones that can operate in heat, dusty environments, or uneven terrain. That's why selecting the right drone depends on the purpose of the mission, the operating environment, and the type of data or output required. Organizations such as Garuda Aerospace develop drone systems designed for different operational applications across sectors. Because in professional operations, a drone is not just a flying device. It's a tool designed around specific industry requirements.